You made it to this page, which means you're a real estate brokerage owner or a team leader, and you want to consistently and predictably recruit more agents. You may be in need of steady, consistent flow to close more deals, generate more revenue, and build a business that you can ultimately sell. Maybe you're exhausted from relying on cold calling and referrals and chasing agents left and right, or you're tired and feel like you're not measuring up to your competition, or you just need help standing out from the big box brokerages and flat fee models. I get it, and I was actually in your shoes before, and that's why I created this training. I'm Alankushmakov, and I started my brokerage a little bit over 3 years ago, and we're one of the fastest growing brokerages in the state of Arizona. And in the process, I hired over 270 agents into my company. We have tried many different recruiting methods to be sure that we have consistent and predictable agent growth. And over the course of this 90-minute training, I'm gonna walk you through the exact methods of all of my current recruiting strategies that we're currently using to grow our brokerage, so that you walk away with the exact blueprint that got me to hire 270 plus agents. This exact system that's taught in this training has helped brokerage owners to hire 5 to 10 agents per month. So sign up below, see you there, and we can't wait to show you exact blueprint that we put together for you guys. See you soon.